how once I get myself into alignment and I'm feeling good, how do I sustain that? And when you say it's hard to stay in there, that's the first place that you want to start to soften that conversation. See, so when you say it's hard to stay in there, let's just feel how that feels when you're saying that. And the truth of the matter is, it's hard not to be in there once you've experienced being in alignment. It becomes almost impossible for you to not feel yourself in alignment. In fact, as you've begun to feel yourself in alignment more and more and more, you won't tolerate for very long not feeling in alignment. You get right into motion or right into action on doing something or shifting how you're thinking the earlier you become aware of it. And why that's so crucial is because when you start to create this momentum, as you create this emotional momentum, the good thoughts start to bring to you good feelings, which bring good thoughts, which bring good feelings, which bring good thoughts, which bring good feelings. As this momentum begins, the law of attraction now becomes your ally, becomes your friend. As you start having these positive thoughts and feelings, law of attraction now is going to bring you more of these positive thoughts and feelings and more of these positive thoughts and feelings. And it's not personal. It's a vibrational law of energy in the universe, because on the same token, if you've got these negative thoughts and these negative feelings, the law of attraction then is going to bring you more negative thoughts and negative feelings. So if you're out there clicking with grease and feeling really good and you feel yourself being in alignment there, just enjoy that and milk that for as much as you can, and know that that's the feeling that you're after. And that's the feeling that you want to replicate. And that's the feeling that you want to rub all over yourself and get in the middle of. And then to be really aware of the fact of, there's going to be, if there's something that happens or there's going to be something that happens that has me pop out of there, don't make it out to be a big deal. Yeah, don't make that out to be a big deal. Be real light about going out of alignment. Be real gracious and kind to yourself. Be a real friend to yourself when you hop back out of alignment. You know, when I first realized that I wanted to feel good, I wanted to get into alignment, and that was the access to it, that I realized that when I asked for something, I became aware on a vibrational level that the bigger part of me became the version of me that had that thing that I asked for. And that the only game for me to do was to become the vibrational or the emotional match for that guy that had the thing that I wanted. So when I asked for a new lover, or I asked for a new car, or I asked for more cash and more money and more abundance, the moment that I asked for that, the bigger part of me, the larger part of me, the God part of me, the inner being, the Christ consciousness, whatever you want to call that, we'll call it your soul for this conversation. My soul became the version of me instantly. So when I get that new lover, or that cash, or that car, or anything, it isn't going to be because of anything that I did. I'm going to do some things in the process of there, but I'm going to get it when I become emotionally or vibrationally, when I feel like the guy who has it from the moment I created it. So it's all about the feeling. 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 And what's so beautiful about this game of playing it from the emotional viewpoint instead of the effort and the physical viewpoint is, as you begin to practice feeling good more and more and more and more and more, law of attraction now will become a friend and an ally to you and start bringing you more and more and more. And this is why it gets so effortless. It gets so effortless because you get in the habit of creating good thoughts and good feelings, and that momentum goes, and then law of attraction gets up behind you and starts fortifying that for you. So you've got the greatest ally you could ever have in the universe supporting your dreams and your desires. And it's just about you getting yourself to get that momentum started so it can get moving down the path. So if you're still watching this video and you've heard some things that might have resonated with you and you think there might be something possible for you, click down below, get in touch with me, let's have a conversation, and you're going to know immediately whether or not this is a match. And whatever ends up happening is absolutely perfect. But I sure would love to connect with you and just have a conversation.